Hello friends, welcome to Famous Tech. This is Huawei P30 Pro smartphone. In this video, you learn how you can take a slow motion video in your phone Huawei P30 Pro. First of all, you need to open the camera in your phone Huawei P30 Pro. Click here for camera and click on more button. Here select slow MO, SLOW and start recording your video. Click start button. I record this video. While recording this video, it will be recording like a normal video. The movement is like a normal movement, and after finishing it, just play the video and it will be slowly playing. See here, it's slowly playing. The slow motion is for very short duration here. I record another one. Go to camera and I record this video now. I started recording. And play the video now. This is the video. See here, the movement is captured and it's showing here in slow motion. I take another example now. Started recording. Only movements are detected and captured. See here the movement. Movement is very slow. So in this way you can easily take a slow motion video in your phone. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.